Hi guys, this is Danny from DNB Auto Repairing. So we are out here in Coquitlam today doing a battery replacement for this Ford Escape. It's a 2017 Ford Escape 3-liter EcoBoost. As you can see, we have started working on it. So we had to take off this panel. We also had to take off the wiper plates from each side in order to access the panel. Then we took off this panel out here, which sits here, and below that is this panel, the one I'm pointing at, and then you can get to the battery. So this is the old battery. Now we are going to be running a diagnosis check. The client said that the vehicle wouldn't start. Now we are going to be running a diagnosis and a full system check, starting system check. Let's see what the issues is. The client also went ahead and bought a new battery just in case. So if it is the battery problem, we are just going to straight away replace it. So again, this is a 2017 Ford Escape parked in the client's driveway. So guys, we have taken off the battery from here. We have disconnected both the terminals and we have taken off the battery. This is the old battery, EGM. So guys, we have swapped the battery. We have put in a new battery. As you can see, this is the new battery and the vehicle is up and running now. It was indeed a battery problem. The starter is good, the alternator is good. So now we'll be putting back all of these wipers and the plates and everything back into the vehicle. The battery goes here. We have put up the pan. There's one more pan underneath here. We have also attached this and we have put in the battery. The vehicle does start as shown in the previous clips, and we have done it right out here in Coquitlam at the customer's driveway. If you need any battery diagnosis and replacements, alternator, starter replacement, brake pads, rotors, serpentine belt replacement, please do give us a call.